Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Looking at our current surface analysis today, a lot to talk about in our area. We do currently have a warm front in our region, going to be seeing some warming temperatures as we move throughout the day till about midnight tonight. And along with those warming temperatures, we're also going to be seeing these showers that are currently mainly situated in central Virginia, going to be moving towards our area in the next couple of hours. Going to be providing us with some rainy conditions till about midnight tonight. Slight chance of a thunderstorm within those rain showers as well. And additionally, we're going to be watching this cold front move towards our area Friday morning. And this cold front is going to bring with it some very frigid temperatures, very high winds, and an additional chance for some light precipitation on Friday morning. Looking at our upper level winds today at 1,000 feet, we have winds coming out of the northeast at 7 knots, staying mainly light throughout most of the column, but increasing up to 63 knots at 25,000 feet coming out of the southwest. And our freezing level today is 6,500 feet. And taking a look at our visible satellite imagery today, you can see that we are seeing mostly cloudy to overcast conditions. And again, just going to be seeing increasing cloud coverage as those showers begin to impact our area. Taking a look at our composite reflectivity, as you can see again, in the next couple hours, going to be seeing those rain showers start to settle into our region. Again, with this, we are going to be seeing a slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm within the rain showers as well. And starting to trail off as we move into the evening, but rain showers lingering until roughly about midnight tonight. Then we'll see some clearing for a bit before we move into Friday morning. Friday morning, when that cold front moves through, we'll see an additional short period of some showers. And picking back up with our long-term forecast model, this is Friday morning. You can see that some areas north of our region could see some very light snowfall as this cold front begins to move out of the area. We are expected to see mainly just rain, potentially a light flurry at the tail end of the cold front moving through, but mainly just going to be seeing a rain event for us. And as you can see behind that, we're going to be seeing some clearing, very cold temperatures. The further south this blue line is, the colder it's going to be in our area. So going to be seeing some very cold weather settle into our region as we move throughout the day, Christmas Eve, and into Christmas as well. Luckily, looking to stay mainly dry as high pressure is going to take control of our region. As we move into next week, still seeing some pretty cold temperatures slowly warming up as we move through next week, but still seeing high pressure systems, so not going to be seeing any further chances of precipitation. Looking at our 24-hour weather risk chart today, again, mainly seeing cloudy conditions right now. Our temperatures have moved up to 54 degrees already, so a slight chance we could see a slightly higher high this evening, but looking to see a high this evening around 57 and a low of 44. Our winds start off northeasterly 5 to 10 knots, seeing mainly more easterly winds right now at about 7 to 12 knots. Going to be gradually increasing those gusts as we move throughout the day into tomorrow morning, gusting up to about 26 knots come this evening, and as we move into Friday morning, gusting up to 30 plus knots, especially as we continue to move throughout the later portion of the morning on Friday. And as I mentioned before, along with these rain showers from roughly around noon to midnight, we're also going to be seeing a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well, embedded within those rain showers, looking at about a 25% chance of a thunderstorm. Our ceilings also have a chance of dropping below 500 feet today, mainly correlated with those showers in our area, and our tides for today are about a foot above normal. Looking ahead at the next couple days real quick, Friday, we're going to be seeing a chance of some light rain early when that cold front moves through the area. Going to be becoming partly cloudy, windy, and cold. Going to be seeing a high of around 48 degrees. That's actually going to be in the late morning, however. Temperatures are going to be plummeting around noon with wind chills in the single digits expected by evening. Friday night, we're going to be seeing partly cloudy, windy, and frigid conditions. Low of 13 degrees, but those wind chills are going to make it feel like it's near or below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So a very, very cold night for us Friday night. And in addition to this, the National Weather Service has also issued a wind chill advisory from tomorrow evening through the morning of the 24th. And then on Saturday, we're going to be seeing still partly cloudy, breezy, and cold conditions, a high of only 27 degrees, and wind chills remaining in the teens. As we look ahead at the next 7 days, today again we're going to be seeing rainy, windy conditions, slight chance of a thunderstorm, all that going to be occurring this afternoon to evening. High around 57 with that high coming late at night, and a low tonight around 44. After that, we're going to be seeing much cooler temperatures plummeting on Friday, most likely just before noon, so high of 39. That is what the temperature is expected to be right around noon. That's going to be continuing to drop until it reaches a low of about 13 degrees moving into Saturday morning. And remember, these lows of 13 degrees and eventually 16, 17 degrees for Sunday and Monday morning are actually going to feel a lot colder than they are, and they're already cold. So be aware if you're going to be outside at all that these wind chills are going to make the temperatures feel like we're in the single digits. And so as we move into this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, aka Christmas Eve and Christmas, we're going to be seeing partly cloudy and cold conditions, highs of only 27 and 31 respectively. As we move into next week, Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, all going to be partly cloudy. Only when we approach Wednesday are we going to be seeing a return to more seasonable conditions. But you can see a slight warming trend as we move throughout the week with Monday through Wednesday. Highs of 36 on Monday, 43 on Tuesday, 49 on Wednesday. That's going to conclude our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We will see you again tomorrow at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.